Some people think the internet is a series of tubes. Some people think it's made of wires and lasers and some hats. Some people think it's stuck together with a load of glue. But they're all wrong, because the internet is made of cats. The internet is made of cats. The internet is made of cats. Cats, 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 cats. The internet is made of cats. The internet was born in Japan 2001. There were not many cats, so bandwidth was not very high. To get the cats around the net, they had to keep them small, so they compressed kittens using the ancient art of bonsai. Although more kittens came online with each and every day, the connectivity and bandwidth of the net weren't great, because the hidden numbers did not grow as you would hope. The internet is made of cats. The internet is made of cats. Cats, 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 cats. The internet is made of cats. The revolution came when lolcats harnessed humankind to create many cats with captions on that were quite mental. While death rates from a vengeful god stayed more or less the same, the growth in internet kittens soon became exponential. For a while it looked as though everything was just fine. With more cats in the network, things grew fast as fast could be. But soon the laws of physics started to bend with the strain, as the number of cats tended towards infinity. Because the internet is made of cats. Internet is made of cats. Cats, 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 cats. The internet is made of cats. The Internet Cat Project, kittens inspired by kittens. Recursive cat spiraled down to a singularity, which birthed a cat god powerful beyond imagination, called Maru, who appeared obsessed with box idiocy. But despite looking like a fat cat moron who likes boxes, Maru was in fact manipulating both time and space. He summoned forth the Dark One from beyond the deepest past, the one who would be saviour of the Internet Cat race. Because the internet is made of cats. The internet is made of cats. Cats, 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 cats. The internet is made of. Internet is made of cats. Internet is made of cats. Cats, 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 cats. The internet is made of cats. And that's a fact.